was hearing there was a Jill friend on her way. I'm Charlie.
Nice to meet you. I think we've met a couple times.
Yeah, probably. In and out. So as long as you're not bringing me a horse or a kitten, I'll take it.
No, actually, I'm supposed to bring you this.
Hi. Beautiful rose. For Jill?
Jill asked me to bring that by.
Jill from her?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what has she done? Oh, it's beautiful. And what's the message?
She said that you would know.
I do know.
Yes.
She's pregnant?
Yes.
Can I have a hug? Oh my goodness. Are your girls with you, or do you have time to sit for a minute?
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
Oh my gosh, I did this to my mom.
Yeah, that's what you